Messenger, how to tell if blocked. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can tell if you are blocked on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to figure out if you have actually been blocked on Messenger, now Messenger or Facebook actually allows two things. Let's say you are someone who want to block a certain person, you can block them from Messenger only, or you can block them from both Facebook and Messenger. So if someone has blocked you on Messenger, what you can try to do is try to search their name on Facebook, and if their name comes up on Facebook from that same profile but it doesn't come up on your, let's say, the Messenger application, it means that they have blocked you in Messenger. Now sometimes in that case, sometimes what happens is that they could have blocked you on both Facebook as well as Messenger. So how do you figure out in that case? In that case, just open up a dummy account. It could be your sibling's account, your spouse's account, or anyone's account. Just have a dummy account and then try to search for that person's name. If their name shows up in their profile but it does not show up in your profile, then it most likely means that they have blocked you. And of course there are other ways to find out as well. You can try texting them. It says this person is not available or unavailable on Messenger and so forth. And I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any better solutions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.